This conversation is powered by Google Illuminate. Check out illuminate.google.com for more. Hey everyone, welcome back to the discussion. Today we're diving into a fascinating study on the impact of generative AI tools, like ChatGPT, on student academic performance. It's a hot topic, right? So what did this research actually find?
The study found a pretty clear trend. Students who use generative AI tools for their coursework, specifically essays in this case, scored, on average, 6.71 points lower on their exams out of a possible 100. That's a significant drop.
Wow, 6.71 points is a substantial difference. Did they look at why this might be happening? Was it just because the students were cheating, or is there something more nuanced going on?
That's the really interesting part. While it's tempting to assume it's all about cheating, the researchers explored other possibilities. They suggest a learning hindering mechanism. Basically, relying on AI to do the work might prevent students from truly engaging with the material and developing a deep understanding.
So it's not just about getting the right answer, but about the process of learning itself.
Exactly. The act of struggling with a problem, researching, and writing it out yourself is a crucial part of the learning process. AI bypasses that.
That makes a lot of sense. Did they test this theory in any way?
Yes, they did some clever analysis. They looked at students who retook the exam, comparing those who used AI and those who didn't. Even when controlling for other factors, the AI users showed significantly less improvement on their second attempt.
So even if they initially failed, using AI didn't help them learn from their mistakes and improve their scores?
Right. It seems the AI was hindering their learning process, preventing them from truly grasping the material.
That's a pretty alarming finding. Did they look at different groups of students to see if the effect was the same across the board?
Yes, they did a split sample analysis based on students' prior academic performance, A-level grades, and class attendance. The negative effect of AI use was much stronger for students who already had high A-level grades and good attendance, the ones you'd expect to do well anyway.
So the students who were already doing well were actually hurt the most by using AI?
Precisely. It suggests that for high-achieving students, the benefits of actively engaging with the material are even greater, and AI is robbing them of that.
That's a really important point. It's not just about whether AI helps or hurts overall, but about who it helps and hurts most.
Absolutely. The study highlights the need for a nuanced understanding of AI's impact, considering individual student characteristics and learning styles.
So what are the implications of this research for students, teachers, and universities?
For students, it's a cautionary tale. AI can seem like a shortcut, but it might actually be hindering their learning. For teachers, it means thinking carefully about how to design assignments that encourage deep engagement with the material.
And for universities?
Universities need to develop thoughtful policies around AI use. A blanket ban might not be the answer, but they need to find ways to guide students on responsible AI use and mitigate the negative effects.
Sounds like a complex issue with no easy answers.
Exactly. It's a rapidly evolving field, and we need more research to fully understand the long-term implications of AI in education.
The study also used AI detection tools to identify AI-generated text. How reliable were those tools?
That's another important point. The researchers acknowledged the limitations of AI detection tools and conducted robustness checks using multiple tools and methods to try and minimize bias. However, it's still a potential source of error.
So while the findings are compelling, there's still room for further research to refine our understanding. Thanks for breaking down this important study for us.